What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, the raffle is complete. It is time to shine, man. One of you guys is going to take home that black 2010 Harley Davidson after we get it painted, of course. So now that the raffle is done, we will be going live here either today or tomorrow, trying to see what you guys want to do. So if you guys want to chime in, make sure you go vote on the community section of this page right now. And we can figure out if we want to get it done today or wait till tomorrow. But the choice is yours. Let me know right now in the community section. But the raffle is complete, man. So that does have a new home now. We're just waiting to see where it's going, man. So as for the Roadglide, man, it is time to take that thing on a first ride today. But yeah, man, I can't wait. Let's get that thing pulled out and check it out real quick now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we got these things pulled out, man. The giveaway is done. Not done, but the raffle is sold out. Everything is gone. It is time to raffle this off and see where this thing is going now. I did order a new set of bags for this bike. I ordered a new like CVO rear fender. So that'll change up this whole back end. Back here it'll look way, way better. As well as I got a new inner fairing so we can get that thing color matched. I got a windshield trim that goes down here. I got a new windshield. I got some axle covers. Still looking for the turn signals, but those shouldn't be too hard to find. As well as, what else did I get? I don't know. I think I got a couple more items, but so far this thing, oh yeah, and I got the wraparound over there for it as well. So as soon as we figure out who win it, who's won it or whatever, we're waiting for the parts to come in. They should be coming here today or tomorrow. So it'll be just in time to go into the paint first thing like Monday or Tuesday at the latest. And then we'll get that thing painted. But as for the red bike, this thing is lovely, man. I'm gonna go hop on this thing today. So make sure y'all tune in tomorrow for that video. But I would clean the black bike up right now, but I'm gonna be disassembling it here soon. Now I think I do want to get a different gas tank trim for you as well. But that's just something extra I might just throw in if I can find it for the low. But so far so good. It does look really good in chrome, man. I can't wait to see what color you guys pick. So be sure to tune into the live video. We gonna go up, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, dog. Then y'all do hear that purr. Yes, sir. Can't wait, man. Tune in today. We going up. Look like I'm just taking a look at the voting and stuff right now. And look like we going up today, man. So I'm gonna go get all these tickets and stuff and make sure everything copacetic. But this one is getting put back in the garage. I just wanted to get it running for you and show you. But it's getting ready, man. I can't wait. We going up with this one, dog. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for this video right here, man. This is specifically for the raffle video, man. I want everybody who purchased a ticket, man, to let me know in the community section. Go vote right now if you guys want to get this done today or hold off until tomorrow at 12, man. Either one will work for me. I had to make sure I had a babysitter for today. Will be good. So either one will work. Let me know what you want to do in the comments below. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I can't wait to see where this bike is going to go and what color it's going to be. Until next time, man, I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace. Hey, man, what's good, man? You want a bike? I can't figure the live out, man, but we just gonna record it and play it for him, man.
Appreciate it, man. That's crazy. I watch y'all all the time after work. Every time I get off work and y'all post a video, I'll be watching. I'm like,
hey, that's crazy, man. That's dope. You said you bought how many? 3 tickets. See, I knew I seen your name a few times. I'm like, man, it be crazy the people who be putting in a couple tickets. They actually be winning, man.
But I wasn't tripping. I'm like, shit, he doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? You, Dre, Ray, y'all be doing your thing. I'm like, I gotta support. You feel me?
Hey, man, good looking out, man. You got a whole new bike, man. 2010 Harley, man. You ride or what, man? What's up?
Hey, I ain't rode since a dirt bike.
Hey, man, dude said I ain't rode since a dirt bike.
I ain't gonna hold you. Shit, wifey be like, oh yeah.
I'm so glad he won that bike. Now I can stop hearing him. A motorcycle.
Hey, he good to go now, and he gonna get to paint it whatever color he want.
Man,
Purple and black.
That was my mom's favorite color, and she passed away a few years ago.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that, man. We're gonna get a nice ass purple for you on that joint, man.
For sure. Man, hey, I appreciate it, man.
Hey, that's dope. Yeah, so basically I ordered a few extra parts to just make it, because I could throw the paint on there right now, but it's not gonna be how I need it to look, you know? So I ordered I ordered a bunch of parts and stuff on eBay. It should be here maybe by Monday or Tuesday. But literally, as soon as it get here, man, the paint set and everything is going into the paint. So you should have it before the month is up, man.
Hey, do what you gotta do, man. Hey, I'm just here to support, man. I appreciate it.
Hey, yeah, no doubt. It's yours. It got your name on it, man. So it's yours, dog.
That's crazy. I actually thought you called all my numbers. I was like, I ain't tripping. You know what I mean? But wifey was like, he said 16's in there. I'm like, what?
Hey, that's crazy. That's crazy, man. You know, that's dope, man. I'm happy for you, man. Congrats, bro.
Appreciate you. On the real.
Yeah, we for sure gonna have to get you locked in, man. I'm about to post this video up and go back on live and stuff. So if you want to go on there, I'm gonna for sure chat with you and all that on live, man.
I'm definitely gonna go in there.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate it. When I get done with the live and stuff, I'll call you back and get everything situated, and then we'll go from there.
It's all love.
All right, bro. Nice meeting you, man. Congrats again, bro.
For sure.
You about to be slide, nigga. Hey, so you in San Diego, right?
I'm in Dago, yeah.
Okay, bet. Yeah, we just came out there. That would have been perfect.
Y'all was right there at the little,
Hey, yeah, man, we gonna get you right, man. Don't even trip, bro.
Appreciate it.
All right, man. I'll hit you in a second.
Love.
All right.